Standard 11th Business Mathematics, Exercise 2.5. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove the following. Your ninth question, 2 power n greater than n for all n belongs to capital N. First we'll just declare let P of n is equal to your question 2 power n greater than n for all n belongs to capital N. Step 1. Put n is equal to 1. So in your let statement, put n is equal to 1. So P of 1 is equal to 2 power 1 equal to 2 power 1 is 2, which is greater than, here n is 1. 2 is greater than 1. So that is only they have asked you to prove it. So we have got 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Your step 2 is assume that the statement is true for n is equal to k. So wherever n is there in your let statement, just put k. So P of k is equal to 2 power n is there, so 2 power k, which is greater than k. Next is step 3. To prove that P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is equal to, in your P of n statement, just put k plus 1. Okay, so 2 power k plus 1 greater than, n is there, so k plus 1. So now go to your step 2, see that it is 2 power k is greater than k. So we'll just use that. So from step 2, write your step 2 as it is 2 power k is greater than k. Now see your step 3, they have got 2 power k plus 1, okay. But I have got 2 power k here, so I need one more k plus 1. So k plus 1 means, so 2 power k plus 1 means that is 2 power k into 2, using your a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. So you'll get this format. Okay, so what is needed is 2 power 1 is needed. So I'll just multiply both the sides by 2. Okay, so multiplying both the sides by 2. So here both the sides you will have to multiply by 2. So 2 power k into 2, which is greater than 2k. So this is 2 power 1. 2 is nothing but 2 power 1. You can replace it. So 2 power k plus 1, which is greater than 2k. So this implies 2 power k plus 1, so greater than 2k. I'll just split up as k plus k. Because k plus k is 1k plus 1k, will get 2k. Okay, so I'll just write it as k plus k. This I'll just mark this as first equation. 2 power k plus 1 is greater than k plus k, we have got it. But we should get greater than k plus 1 only. So what I am going to do is, this k plus k will declare that it is greater than k plus 1 and we'll just check it. Okay, so the next step is k plus k is greater than k plus 1. That is the answer, we need it. Okay, so first we'll just declare this, then with some example we'll just check it. Okay, so with the example, so put k is equal to 2. So both the sides you will have to substitute k is equal to 2 and see. Okay, so you'll get 2 plus 2 greater than, k is there again, so 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 greater than 3. So it is satisfying. Okay, so if you want you can do with one more example. Put k is equal to 4 or 5, whatever it is, and see, I'll just replace 4. So you'll get k plus k. Okay, so you'll get 4 plus 4 is greater than again 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, greater than, here it is 5. So automatically you can see it is satisfying. Okay. So after satisfying this, just come back here. 2 power k plus 1 is greater than k plus k, and we have got here k plus k is greater than k plus 1. So altogether the conclusion will be 2 power k plus 1 greater than k plus k, that is greater than k plus 1. Just combine this and this, so you can write it as 2 power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. What is needed is k plus 1 only, we will have to prove it. Okay. So take only the needed part, you can eliminate this. So 2 power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. Hence, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n belongs to capital N. This is the answer for your 9th question.